We've got breaking news this morning as a second outsourcing facility has challenged the Tirzepatide patent. Empower filed back in May, and now BPI Labs, a second massive outsourcing facility, has gotten in on it too. Hat tip to our friend Sabina over at GLP Winner, who was the first to break this news today. So what happens next now that these companies have challenged the patent? Well, it sets off what's called an inter partes review. That's essentially a mini trial that goes on within the U.S. Patent and Trade Office. Basically, the interested parties say, hey, this patent shouldn't have been allowed to be filed in the first place. That step has already happened. It includes filing paperwork pointing to older studies or older patents. All of those things have been filed by the interested parties. Now Eli Lilly has 3 months to respond to that. Then the U.S. Patent and Trade Office has a couple of months to decide whether or not they're going to take this further and accept the case. If they do, that kicks off a full review, which could be another 12 months after that. So in total, from the time that a patent is challenged, there's 1 to 2 years before you really see any meaningful resolution. If Lilly were to lose either of these patents, it doesn't automatically mean that compounders can just swoop in, but it does take away one of their biggest weapons in terms of how they can defend Tirzepatide legally. We will be following this very closely. Make sure that you hit follow and all the buttons down below to make sure you get all the updates from our channel.